Hey guys, today I will be making a sweet and savory grilled corn with coconut sauce and green onions. នៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើពោតអាំងជាមួយខ្ទិះដូង There are many ways to do the grilled corns, but today I'm going to grill it with coconut milk and palm sugar. And if you don't have palm sugar, you can substitute it with regular sugar. This is a very popular street food in Southeast Asian country. You can enjoy it as a side dish, snack, or dessert. This is a fun, easy, and delicious recipe for the summer grill. Your family, friends, and guests will enjoy them very much and will ask for the recipe. So let's just begin. Okay, ថ្ងៃនេះភ្លៀងធំមកប្តីខ្ញុំជួយបកពោតបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវនេះគេសុំបង្ហាញស្នាដៃអូខេហើយនេះតើបកពោតរបៀបម៉េចបកពោតយើងបកវាតាមធម្មតាប៉ុន្តែយើងទុកខាងក្នុងខ្លះអញ្ចឹងហ៎ព្រោះអីដល់ពេលយើងអាំងទៅកុំឲ្យវាខ្លោចអូខេហើយបើយើងស្ងោរកុំឲ្យវាអស់ជាតិផ្អែមវាបើជាតិផ្អែមនេះជាប់នៅខ្លួនវាអូអញ្ចឹងហ៎ហ្នឹងមើលបង្ហាញបងប្អូនមើលយើងបកយ៉ាងម៉េចពោតហ៎កាត់ចុងវាចោលតិចទៅធម្មតាយើងត្រូវការផងវាឃើញបកមកអញ្ចឹងមក Okay, so this is how you want to pull your corn តែបើថាយើងអាំងយើងទុកនេះrất làល្អដើម្បីយើងស្រួលកាន់ប្រែណាyou leave a little like that handle on the side so it's easy for you to grill, to hold and grill. That's it. Okay, we'll see you in a bit after he take care of the corn. We're gonna grill it. So, okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to reduce my coconut milk. មុនបងអស់ខ្ញុំនឹងងាស់ខ្ទិះដូងនេះឲ្យវារីងចេញប្រេង So I want to reduce this until the coconut flavor reduce and become thickened. And you want to turn your heat to medium យើងបើកភ្លើងឲ្យល្មមកុំឲ្យក្តៅពេក Okay, while we're waiting on our coconut, we're gonna cut our green onion. យើងកំពុងតែចាំខ្ទិះដូងយើងនឹងហាន់ស្លឹកខ្ទឹមយើងឲ្យស្ដើង And you just want to cut it like small pieces just like that. ឥឡូវហ្នឹងខ្ទិះដូងខ្ញុំងាស់បាន10នាទីបន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំនឹងដាក់ស្ករត្នោតខ្ញុំ So my coconut cream had been sitting in the pot for about 10 minutes already. So now I'm putting in my palm sugar. Okay, well, be careful with the splatter, so you want to lower down your heat a little bit and constantly stir it. So once your coconut cooked for about 10 minutes, you want to lower down your heat. I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of salt. បន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំដាក់អំបិលកន្លះស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ Okay, and I'm going to continue to cook this until all the palm sugar melt. ហើយខ្ញុំកូរវាឲ្យស្ករត្នោតនេះរលាយ Okay, so when your coconut palm melt, let it cook for another 15 minutes. ពេលខ្ទិះដូងយើងបានពុះហើយស្ករយើងរលាយយើងទុកឲ្យវាពុះ15នាទីទៀត Okay, so while your coconut sauce is cooling down, we can go ahead and start grilling the corn. ឥឡូវនេះយើងកំពុងតែចាំទឹកខ្ទិះយើងត្រជាក់ឥឡូវនេះយើងមកខាងក្រៅយើងអាំងពោតយើង and you want your grill not to be too high, you want just a medium heat ហើយយើងកុំឲ្យចង្ក្រានយើងភ្លើងក្តៅពេកឲ្យវាល្មម So តិចតិចចាំជួបគ្នា and then I'll see you in a bit. Okay, once you cook your corn, this is about 15 minutes already, but it's not cooked yet. You would see how it's the outside is burned, but it's okay because the meat inside is not burned. It's cooking. So you can look at it. Honey, open the thing so they can see. See how it's perfectly cooked inside? See that? You can see it. You can see that. There you go. See how it's nicely cooked. Okay, so while your sauce cooling down for 15 minutes, and then you're going to add in the green onion. You don't want to put this when the sauce is hot because it's going to cook the green onion and we don't want it to cook it. Okay, so there you go. The sauce is done. And then now we're just waiting on our corn. Okay, our corn are done. So it took us about 35 minutes to cook them. Okay, so now we're going to remove it. Okay, now I am putting the sauce on top of the corn. You can just use a spoon or a brush, whatever you prefer. And you just want to make sure you put it all over the corn. See how it look like? What makes this grilled corn so delicious is the sauce. It's the coconut sauce, the sweet sauce mixed with the green onion. The green onion gives it a nice kick to it. Okay guys, so here's my corn. It's all done. This is how it look like. And it's very delicious. It has a nice flavor of the coconut milk and the green onion and the palm sugar. And that's it for our tutorial on how to make grilled corn with sweet creamy coconut sauce. And complete joy, share, like, and subscribe to So until the next video, thank you for watching and ជម្រាបលា